Kurumirira kwambatira gwa tharikira cia nyamu kuri andu aria maikaraga hakuhi na runyanjara rwa TSAVO, KAJIADO, Mara na LAIKIPIA, riu thirikari ni ikinyaniirie ngirimiti gatagati ka ruhonge rwa kurira nyamu cia githaka KWS na thukuru wa guthomithia uramati wa nyamu icio niguo kugitira muingi. Kuringana na Ministry ya UGENDI ni ati riboti makiria ma 10,000 ciigie tharikira icio ni ciandikithirio mwaka muhituku.
But our human population has grown and there are competing land uses. So through research we should be able to identify areas that are priority for wildlife as a land use. So that if it is good, if the dispersal areas around Mara are good, and we want to promote migration of wildebeest, then the land use there must be compatible with the wildlife conservation.
Ona kuri uguo urugamiriri wa KWS utariirie gukinyiria riu muigana wa ciringi bilioni 3.8 ni ikinyaniirio ire ta marihi kuri riboti 20,000 cia andu aria manatharikirwo kuma mwaka wa 2014.
We are now considering and reviewing all the claims that are between 2021 and 2025 to ensure that we can continue compensating them. But
to take advantage of whatever is happening, to make connections with the decision makers in this country, from the highest to the lowest. The decision makers at national level, at county level, at community levels, conservancies, what's going on? You know, what is happening? What are the boys doing when they go out to look after their sheep and goats? And what are they doing with the dogs? Are they killing wildlife? No, can that be changed around?
Hamwe noguo aramati a nyamu cia githaka maiguithaniirie kuhuthira ugi wa kiriu wa AI hari kurira nyamu icio niguo kurigiriria kunyamaria muingi.
We need to use the Level 1 technology that is able to tell us and detect when elephants or other animals are getting closer to the fences.
We are going to set up a committee to ensure the conduct of wildlife research in the country is approved more efficiently, faster, so that we are able to address the challenges of climate change, challenges of ensuring human-wildlife coexistence, provide information to address connectivity issues.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.